Alright, so we're going to use that same line command to create this shape, and we're going to add beveling edges, which are chamfers, and fillets, which are radiuses. So we're going to learn how to do the major concept here is going to be learning how to create that chamfer and how to create the fillet. Pretty easy stuff. So let's take a look at our shape here. We're going to draw this front view of the shape. Okay, that's your top, front, and right hand view. We're going to create this shape here, the front view of it. So we go to master canvas, see if we get some numbers here. I got 2 inches tall, and we got 2 inches this way. Okay, and it looks like it's the first step is 130 there with the chamfer. It's 1 inch out to there, and 1.5 inches out to there. So I'm just going to do the inch, 1.5 inches, and the 2, and the 2 that way. And then we'll just start creating the chamfers and the fillets from there. Again, we're going to anchor the drawing right here, and then we're going to be in the positive quadrant doing this. Alright, so we're going to start with a new drawing. Don't save. Alright, so a wireframe line, and what was it? Endpoint. So if I draw it on an angle like that, see how it's telling me that it's at 73 degrees. I want it at 90. Alright, and then I want it at 2 inches here. And then I'm going to stay in the command, and I'm also going to do my line this way. 0, and this one's 2 inches as well. Green check to get out of the command, we use offset. If I remember right, it was what? Inch, 1.5 inches, so I'll do that. So I'm going to tell the machine a distance of 1 inch. Select the entity, indicate the direction of offset by sliding my cursor to the right and left clicking there. I'm going to stay in the command with the blue, and I'm going to do a distance of 1.5. Indicate the entity, and then indicate the direction of offset. So like so. Stay in the command. Let's take a look at the drawing. Which way is her horizontals are going up again, 1.5 inches, so that's pretty easy to remember. So we'll stick with that one. Indicate direction of offset. Let's see, we also need to do 2 inches. Select the entity, indicate the entity's direction of offset. Blue command. Oops, I forgot to do the blue command, so let's do 1.5 again. Enter. Select the entity there, blue to capture it, and then we're going to do 1 inch. Oops, 1 inch. Select the entity. Why did it go 1.5? I don't want 1.5. I want 1 inch. There it is. Okay. And now I'm going to do this one over 2 inches. So 2.0. Select the entity over so, and then in that mess of stuff is the shape. So trim, break, extend, divide again. Make sure divide is on. And I'm going to get rid of stuff here. What do I not need? I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. You just got to find the shape in there. That's a step, right? So it's step like so, right? So I probably don't need that. Probably don't need that. That or that. So there we go. I'm going to hit the green check. I'm going to unzoom this a little bit. So where's my zoom? It's in view. Unzoom about 80%. And then I can toggle this up and down with the keys, the up, down, left, right arrow keys to center it on the graphic screen better if I want to. Okay, so I need to create my fillets and chamfers. So I got a 200 thousandths fillet there, 100 thousandths there, 60 there, and 100 there. So okay, let's do the 200 and the 100 first. So to create that, we're in wireframe. Go to fillet entity. Alright, and we're going to do 0.2 over here for the radius. We're just going to select this line and that line, like so. Hit the blue check, stay in it. I believe it was 100, so 0.1 is our radius. 100 thou, So stay in the command. I'm going to look at the blueprint again, see what it is. 60 and 100. Okay, so I got 100 there, so it's on the top. Alright, blue command. And we're going to go with 0.06. Yeah, I see it. I know you guys are probably like, what's going on with this drawing? Yeah, I know. I see it. I'll fix it in a second. I think I did 2 inches twice. So I'm going to select that and delete it. There we go. So now there's my drawing. Now I got to bevel the edges. There's a beveled edge here at chamfer on each side at 130 thousandths. So let's look at the blueprint real quick so you can take a look at this. 0.13 by 45. So what they're saying is that this leg of the triangle, that leg of the triangle. So if you were to like kind of imagine a triangle there, each one of those legs of the triangle are 130 thousandths. All right, so it's 130 up, 130 over, and then the hypotenuse is, this is the hypotenuse here. They're not saying that this line is 130 thousandths long. The hypotenuse is not 130 thousandths long. They're saying that the legs of the triangle are 130 thousandths long. Okay, so they're both 130, so that's pretty easy. Go up to chamfer entity. We want to do just entity, right? Distance 1. We're going to do one distance. It's already at 45 degrees. I'm going to type this in at 0.130. Hit tab. Alright, we're going to select this line and this line. Boom. Select this line and that line, like so. Alright, there you go. That's how you do that. That's how you do this one. Pretty simple.